Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and decorate my 3-tier tray that I got from Hobby Lobby. I also got a few little guys over here. I got a few presents, and I got this little elf from Hobby Lobby, and this little girl with the dog, and a snowman, and a tree. And what I did with this Christmas tree is I wrapped this battery pack, these battery operated lights with this. So I'm hoping that that turns out really cute somewhere on this tray. And I do have a few other things from Target. This little Santa Claus, this little reindeer, and this little snow. I got this in the dollar spots. And this snowman I've had for years. I'm not exactly sure where I got him, but I think my son won him in a little raffle for kindergarten. But I'm going to go ahead and decorate this, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you have not already yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. So first I'm going to start off with this garland. It was one piece, but I just cut it so that way it would go ahead and fit to size. Hopefully it turns out good. I think it will. It wasn't long enough to go up here, but I figured I'm going to go ahead and use this piece of cloth to go on here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the battery operated lights up here on this tree. And I'm not going to leave it here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a different spot. I'm just filming this right here for right now. And the little snowman that my son won, he's going to go up here too. I might get colored lights to go on this tree, but I only had the white lights for tonight, so that might change. Okay. And the rest of these were all 50% off at Hobby Lobby. A lot of their stuff wasn't lasting very long, so they're all pretty inexpensive. And I know a lot of people get these trays and they put like their coffee bar and stuff, but I do have a coffee bar that I will be decorating and doing tonight in just a little bit. So go ahead and look for that video because that will be coming up next. And I thought this was so cute just the way it looks. Hopefully it turns out adorbs. Oh. And this little thing, this little lantern, this was actually a Christmas ornament, but I just went on ahead and cut the top off just because I thought it would look cute, like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put these little presents around Rudolph and Santa Claus. And I'll go ahead and put in a few pics. And then these ones, I'm pretty sure they came from Hobby Lobby, but Michael's had the exact same ones. So you can get them at, I think they're actually cheaper at Hobby Lobby only because they're 50% off. And Michael's usually does a 40% off. Not sure if I'm in the way, but, and see, normally some of them come with the alligator clips and some of them don't, but I'm just going to stuff it back here just to kind of fill a little bit of the empty spots. That way it just kind of takes up a little of the room. And no one's going to see the back where I'm putting it. Let me think of a good spot for this guy. I'm just going to go ahead and stick some berries in. Well, let me see. Yeah, just like that. So this is how it will look. Oh, and then my little fake snow, I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle that just on the top. I went on ahead, and I'll show you up close in just a second. I went on ahead and put that little felt down so you can't see the black, but I'll just go ahead and sprinkle this. And that kind of looks cute. I don't know if I'm more making a mess or if it looks cute, but actually up close it does look really, really nice. There we go. So I will go ahead and show you guys. a once over. And here it is. And these are just so adorable. And then here's the snow. See, and then it's going to go on the shelf as kind of, it's right above my sink. So you're not going to really be able to see any of this other stuff. But I just thought that looked really sweet. So if you guys liked this, please give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.